So welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover this topic that how you can launch Chrome driver in very shortcut way, or you can say quickest way. So let's get started. Let me show you that how we can do this. Before we proceed, so prerequisites are that Java should be installed on your system and Eclipse should be installed on your system. So let's see on Eclipse. So Eclipse is already installed on my system. You can go to official site of Eclipse and you can download it from there. And for Java, you can go on Oracle's website. You have to sign up on Oracle, then you will be able to download Java. So to confirm that if Java is downloaded on your system, you just open command prompt and then you just Java hyphen version. Okay, so I have installed Java 8. So let's start with how we can launch Chrome driver. Yeah. Okay, so now you need to click on this file and to new, and then you need to go to other and you need to select Maven. You need to write Maven and click on Maven project. Okay, so click on next button. Now these archetypes are still loading. It will display a list of archetypes here. So it's still retrieving. So here you need to write Apache. Okay, it's Maven. Apache, it's something like that. Org dot Apache J dot Maven. Okay, so you need to click on this quick start. Okay, so give any name here like base base project. Here you can write something like test. You can give any name, doesn't matter. So click on finish. Oh, okay, let's write other stuff. I can write test test. Okay, see this project is loading. So now just open this and let's go to pom.xml. So you can remove this JUnit dependency. So I'll tell you which dependency you need to add. So for now, let's just save it. You need to install only two dependencies. First is Selenium Maven dependency. Second is WebDriver Manager dependency. Only these two dependencies will require to launch Chrome driver. So let's see this on Eclipse. So let's start with first one, Selenium Maven dependency. I already searched it. Let's go to this Maven repository and we can pick this one 3.1.459. You can just copy it and let's move to Eclipse. Now simply paste it here, Control Shift F for format. Now again let's go to the browser and write Selenium WebDriver Manager dependency. Okay, now open this Maven repository and then you can just pick first one and just copy this and go to Eclipse and just paste it here, Control Shift F. Okay, and Control D to delete the line. So we have successfully installed these two dependencies that I have mentioned. So let's see what we have to do next. So if you can see here, project is giving some error. This is because we have deleted the JUnit dependency. So let's see what it is showing. So I'll remove this because I'm not going to use JUnit. Let's remove this imports as well. So there are two ways through which you can run any test in the Selenium. And you can launch driver in the Selenium. One is you can use any testing framework, that is JUnit or TestNG, that I'm not going to use here. Other that you can do it via main method. You can run it as a Java application. So that is quickest way that I'll show you today. You just type it main here, control space, main method. Now just we need to initialize the driver. So WebDriver Manager with dependency that we have already installed recently, Chrome driver dot setup. So now we have already used WebDriver Manager. So what exactly this means is you don't need to download Chrome driver from internet and then to set path of that driver using system.set property. You can simply use WebDriver Manager dependency. Now we need to initialize the Chrome driver. Now using this we'll navigate to Google. So that's it guys, only 3 lines code. It will work, it will launch Google Chrome and it will navigate to Google. Yep. If you can see here, I have launched the Google Chrome in just 3 lines. So this is the quickest way you can do this. I hope you like the video. Please do share the video if you like it. Thank you.